Hi Jared Cooper.
Hi Kai, it's been long time no see.
It's a pleasure to meet you again after your spring vacation in Japan, Jared.
Of course it is, and I'd been thinking about getting golden score passes in Mickey High. That's why I worked so hard, and it's also the eligible requirement to maintain the Banting Teen Court.
Wow, that's impressive. You studied so hard for this.
Yes I am, Kai. If else I would lose my chances to be in Banting Teen Court and my access of it gonna be revoked by Principal Liu.
You must study more, Jared. You've been missing out many here in Mickey High.
I will, Kai.
We had new face in Mickey High, isn't it, Jared?
Yes we are, but we don't know when they arrived here. They also Canadians too, like Our
me.
class must be here, isn't it? Surprise! Guys, I missed you guys so much.
Yeah, we always thought your Japan vacation must be really great and awesome. Well, we also had someone who also coming back from Canada too. Baxter McNab.
Wow, Baxter. It's been long time without you, cool friend.
Thanks, Kai. And I'm so glad meeting with you guys.
Our school gonna held a baseball competition again this year. You should join us, Jared.
That's cool. I heard Baxter is the batter, right?
Let's catch some balls with bats.
Sometimes my days in Japan wasn't really spring for me at all. But the good thing is when there's a baseball hitting my head. On my first day after spring break, things is really something new, including Kai, who watched new shows, including the Canadian ones. Who is he, Kai? Never seen him before?
That's Eric. He's from the show I watched Saturday nights.
Nice to meet you guys. Baseball championship is counting days, isn't it?
I discovered a lot of Canadian TV shows and I watched them all, except for that famous Canadian vampire which I had been consuming it for like 6 laps. Like Erica who ride trike in laps.